Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be refilming my 20 facts video because I filmed it like 3 weeks ago and I stopped coming up with facts about myself. So I've had 3 weeks instead of a week because Lisa only gave me a week last time. I've had 3 weeks to come up with better facts and these are a lot better. Stay tuned if you guys want to keep on watching. That did not make any sense. If you want to learn 20 facts about me, all you have to do is keep on watching. Alright, so fact number 1, I don't eat things that come out of the water, which I feel like is just a fact that everybody knows. I don't eat seafood, shrimp, fish, salmon, anything, crab, lobster. It's all disgusting. I can't do it. Tuna, none of that. Just so.
Is it the taste or the idea?
I think it's both. They have like that fishy taste, and I know that people say that like salmon tastes like chicken, but I just don't agree with that. I think it tastes like fish, so it's just, yeah, I can't do it. I feel like it's a texture thing too, because I'm really picky with texture. Like I can't eat mochi because it has a weird texture, and I can't eat like marshmallows because they have a weird texture. Fact number 2, my favorite food is an acai bowl. I love them. I eat them all the time. Anyone that works here can vouch for me. They're like literally my favorite. There's a place around here that has the best ones ever, and I have acai at home too, and I make smoothies, and I can pretty much just live off of acai because it's that good.
That's actually when we knew you and Michael were together.
That's so funny. That's totally true.
Because Kayline and Michael snuck around for a little bit before they divulged to us, and then one day we looked in Michael's office and he had 2 acai bowls, and we were like, oh, and we knew.
And then one disappeared and went into my desk.
And we were like, those little dogs.
That's so funny. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah, that was the giveaway.
That's good reminiscing. I like that. I keep getting emails. Go away. Number 3, I suffer from chronic migraines, so I get migraines a lot, anywhere from like 3 a week to, or I'd say 1 to 3 a week. I have been going to the chiropractor lately, and that has helped literally tremendously because I was having like 12 migraines a month, and they were awful to the point where they're ruining like my social things. Like I drove to Montana for Kenzie's sister's wedding. I drove 4 hours, and I ended up having to leave when I hadn't even been there for 12 hours because I had a migraine, and it was literally just awful, and I couldn't do it. So that sucks, but going to the chiropractor has literally helped tremendously. Like it's actually kind of scary how much it's helped. Number 4, I am a space nerd. So I love outer space and stars and planets, and it literally just fascinates me so much. If I could go back in time and go back and redo high school and redo all of that, and I would actually go to college, I would be an astronaut, just because I think that would be so much fun. I'm really into space, and I'm really good at science, so that's just something that I feel like would be so much fun. But I think you have to be 5'2" to be an astronaut, and I'm 5'1", so that doesn't really work out for me, but I would totally do it.
Why would they have a height requirement?
I think it's like 5'2".
That is so weird. Why? Because the suits? Or what?
I don't know, maybe it's the suits don't fit someone, but I'm like 1.5, so I feel like maybe I can make it work, okay? Let's just make it work.
Oh my gosh.
Let's make an exception for me, okay? All right, fact number 5, I have never broken a bone. This is like I feel like a lot of people have broken bones, but I just never have. I've never had stitches or anything either, which is nice because, you know, you don't have those scars or anything, but as clumsy as I am, I'm really surprised that I've never broken a bone because I feel like I've tried up the stairs and down the stairs way too many times that I should have broken a bone by now, but I haven't. Knock on wood. Somewhere. I don't break a bone. Let's see. Number 6, I have 2 dogs, which I'll have Jacob put up a photo of them right here or something so you can see. But I do have 2 dogs, Diesel and Bear. I post them on my Instagram all the time. Diesel is a German Shepherd Pomeranian. Don't ask me how that happened because I have no idea. And then Bear is a German Shepherd Lab. They're both so cute. They look very, very similar, but they're 2 very different breeds. But I love them. They're my literal children. I don't know what I would do without them. Fact number 7, I have 6 siblings, and they're all half siblings. So I'm the oldest, and then we have my brother Bailey, who works in our shipping department. He is literally me as a boy, is what Elisa says. He literally looks just like me, but
they need to put a picture up right now.
yeah, we can put a little picture up here. We'll just keep my hand here for pictures so Jacob can insert photos. But yeah, he looks just like me. All of my siblings, we all look very alike. My mom has super strong genes. And then I have a 15-year-old sister, and then I have a 10-year-old sister, and then I have a 7-year-old sister, and then I have another brother and sister who live with my dad in Boise. Their names are Lauren and Chandler. They're like 10, I think 14 and 10 or 14 and 11, something like that, but they live with my dad. But yeah, they lots of siblings, and they're all half siblings, so we all have the ones that live with me, we all have the same mom, and then the ones that live with my dad, obviously we have the same dad. But, so fact number 8, I'm gonna get a little intense for a second. So, my mom is very, very young. She had me on her 15th birthday. So, she was technically 14 when she had me, but her 15th birthday, so she was a very, very, very young mom, which I feel like some people, like, 16 and pregnant, like that's just a thing, but she was younger than that, so it's kind of crazy to think about, but she did such a great job raising me, and then she had, my brother's only 3 years younger than me, and then my sister after that's 3 years younger than my brother, so we're all in like a decent like age span, so we're all still close in age, but far enough to where we still don't want to kill each other. But she did a really good job being such a young mom. I mean, she was 21 and had 3 kids already, so I don't know how she did it because I'm 22 and I don't have any kids, and my dogs are enough for me to handle, so I don't know how she does it or how she did it, but yeah, she was very, very young, which is just kind of like mind-blowing. So I'm 22 and she's 37, which is very young. So another fact, I guess that kind of led into it. My mom and I have the same birthday because I was born on her birthday, so it used to be really fun. I guess kind of when I was younger, because I was like, oh yeah, I shared a birthday with my mom, it was just kind of fun, but now it's like I stole her birthday and she's kind of bitter about it, I feel like, because she's like, that was supposed to be my day, now it's your day, and she kind of just like gave up her birthday for it to be my birthday. But fact number 10, we lived in 15 different houses by the time I was 15. So Lisa's face is like, oh my gosh. Yeah, so we moved a lot. We lived with family, like my grandpa, my aunts and uncles and things like that, and then we lived in different apartments, and we just moved like a lot. So yeah, lots of houses. I think now it's like, I don't know, probably like 18 by now, which isn't that bad. I mean, it is bad, but it's not. Fact number 11, I hate cooking, but I love to bake. So I think that leads into fact number 12, which is I am a sugar addict. So I love sugar, I'm all about the sugar, and so I'm not bad at cooking, like I can cook, but it's just not my favorite. Like I would so much rather eat like brownies or cupcakes or muffins or something sugary and delicious. So I love to bake, but cooking's just not my favorite. I'd much rather get like Uber Eats or something.
What do you like to bake? What's your favorite thing to bake?
I like to make Muddy Buddies, like puppy chow, or Rice Krispies, which are super easy, but I love brownies. They're like my absolute favorite. And then this one time I made, they're like donut muffins, and they were so good, and I made them like a million times. They're literally my favorite. You like, after they're done baking, you roll them in like butter, and then you put cinnamon sugar on the top, and they were so good. Number 13, I can't whistle.
Try.
No.
Come on, let's see it.
No. I'm gonna look like an idiot.
You try and I'll whistle for you.
No, I can't whistle. I don't know why. I never been able to. I just can't get it down. I can't. Some people can like blow in and whistle, but they can't like blow out and whistle. I can't do it all. I can't. Don't laugh at me, okay? Number 14, I swear a lot. Like a lot.
Yeah, I got you a gift with something about that, right?
Yeah, it said like, it's in my living room. Maybe swearing will help or something like that.
Yeah.
It's in my living room. It's really funny. I'm gonna put it in my glam room once I move. But yeah, it's super cute. I swear a lot of people don't know that. Yeah, I feel like you wouldn't expect that from me.
No, you would not. I like would watch on, or I like knew you through Instagram before I worked here, and then I came here and I had no idea. You guys ran it in well.
Just kind of shocked people. Fact number 15, I knocked out my brother's 2 front teeth, and he did not have them for 7 years. So the first one, he was really young too, so his first tooth hit my knee and just popped out and it was gone. And then the second one, we were playing with like the swings, like those plastic swings, like on a swing set. And I let it go, and it hit his other tooth and knocked his front tooth out. And he literally didn't have them for 7 years. It was so long.
How old was he when you got him back?
I don't know, like 10, 11, 12, something like that. He was older. But anyways, my mom thought that they weren't gonna grow back because like he wasn't gonna have teeth because they just weren't there for literally so long. You usually grow back like immediately. They ended up having to shave down his gums so that they would actually come through. It was crazy. But yeah, he didn't have teeth for 7 years. It was really funny. We always made jokes like, oh, I want for Christmas my 2 front teeth.
Yeah, literally.
You can have them for forever. Number 16, I have 4 tattoos. I'll let Jacob photos somewhere. But I have one on my foot, which is like very obvious. It says, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm gonna be really real, but it says love in Swedish because I'm Swedish. And then I have this one on my wrist that says serendipity, which is one that you guys see all the time. One of my best friends have matching tattoos. Hers is on her ribs though. We got those when we were like, I think we were like 18 or 19. And then I have the arrow on my back, which you guys see all the time. So my star sign is Sagittarius, and the sign is an arrow. So, and I love the saying, like, you think of your life as an arrow, because whenever things get bad, you know you're launching backwards, but it's an arrow, so it shoots forward into great things. So I love that. And then number 17, I'm Swedish and Norwegian, obviously. So that's why I don't tan. That's all, you can't tell right now because I'm pretty tan right now. But I can literally sit out in the sun for 2 weeks straight and I will not tan at all. I went to Hawaii for 2 weeks and I came back just as pale as when I left. Like my body just doesn't like it. It just rejects it. So that's why I spray tan and self tan, all that good stuff. Number 18, I paid off my car in 2 years, which was super exciting and really, really nice because not having a car payment is the greatest thing on the planet. But I recently bought a house. So I'm moving in very, very soon. I'm super excited. It's like crazy to think that I am gonna have a house. Like I don't have to rent anymore. Like I get to pay mortgage and stuff, which is pretty exciting. I'm really excited about it. Number 19, when I was little, I wanted to do nails and hair. Like I wanted to be a nail tech. Like when I was really little, like probably like 3 and 4, I was like, I want to do nails and I wanted to do people's hair and stuff, which is so funny because I still like to like do my own hair, like curl it and stuff like that, but I would not want to be a hairdresser or do nails ever. It's so funny. And then back to number 20, my dream is to travel to as many places as possible. So if I could just take time, if I had all the money in the world, I would just travel and travel and travel and travel and go to so many places just because there's so many incredible places around here and in different countries, like tropical places where there's beautiful beaches and just so many gorgeous things to do. Like I would literally just be gone for not forever, but be gone for a long time and try to go to as many countries as possible because I feel like life's about experiences and that would just be the best thing ever.
Where's the first place on your list?
Greece. Wouldn't that be so pretty? Every
So
time I see
pretty.
photos, I'm like, oh my gosh. I want to go to Europe and like Bora Bora, Fiji,
Oh, Fiji.
everywhere. Bali. Take me to paradise.
Take me to paradise.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it. Also, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. But we're actually doing a giveaway with this video. So if you guys would like to enter to win my favorite fall piece, all you have to do is like this video, obviously, and comment down below with your favorite fact about me, and I will pick one lucky winner to win my favorite fall piece. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.